Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Unit number 5, subprograms and file handling. 10th class, today we're going to start our unit number 5. We have completed our first 4 units. Remember one thing while we're going to start our unit number 5, that from unit number 2 to onward, each unit is connected to the previous units. Unit number 3 is connected with unit number 2, unit number 4 is connected with unit number 3, unit number 5 is connected with unit number 4 and 3. So you have to remember that the things, the logics we have studied in previous units will be used as we have studied in the next units, as we are going to study in this unit. In this unit we are going to study about subprograms and file handling in basic. As a program gets longer, it becomes more difficult to handle. Most computer languages, excluding GW basic features that facilitates such situation. A separate large program is divided into smaller manageable parts called subprograms and modules. It is designed to perform a specific task and return a value. In BASIC, there are two types of subprograms: standard or built-in and user-defined. Okay, there are two types of program. One which is standard, that are already built-in, we use as they are built-in according to the syntax, according to the grammar of the GW basic, we use them. And the other is user-defined. The other type is user-defined. User-defined, you are the user. The way in which you define the syntax or use the syntax is called user-defined. Intrinsic functions or built-in functions are provided by the BASIC and allows the program to use them so that he or she does not have to write code to handle certain situations. A user-defined function is written and specified by a program to accomplish a particular task. The function will always return a value to the calling module. Let us begin with the standard function. As previously mentioned, standard functions are provided by BASIC and simple have to be called upon for user. We're going to discuss about the built-in function first. In built-in function, the functions that are already been defined by GW basic, we just call them according to our need, are called built-in or intrinsic or standard functions. The called function will have a particular name followed by parentheses. An argument is passed to the function by inserting a constant, variable, expression or another function inside the parentheses. The argument is what the function will be operating on. A function, if used, has highest priority in a statement, so therefore it will be evaluated before anything else in the statement. Built-in function. These functions perform operating on their operands and return values. There are two things in a function always. One is called operator and the other is called operands. The plus symbol, the subtraction symbol, multiplication symbol, the division symbol are known as operators, while the values that are used on the right and left side of an operator are called operands. Like a plus b. In a plus b, a and b are operands and plus is an operator. Basically, these are programs that have been written by developer for the language and have been incorporated in it. These functions are known as built-in function or standard function or library function or intrinsic functions. Remember these names. Basic has many predefined functions built into the language that can be used by calling them. Basically, library functions are divided into two general categories: numeric functions and string. First is numeric function. These functions are applicable on numeric values only and produce the numeric results. Numeric functions works for numeric values. Numeric values are which ones? That are numbers. There are too many functions variables, but the here most important functions will be discussed. First is ABS function. ABS function is basically used for absolute value. The purpose of ABS function is to return the absolute value of expression, that is the value without any sign. Format ABS into X. Here X is the value that has to be provided to the ABS function to get the absolute value. If the value of X is a negative, then absolute function will convert it into the positive value. Print ABS negative 15. Print ABS negative 12.45. Run 15 12.45. Next is int function. Int function is used for integer values. Purpose: return the lowest integer less than or equal to X. In case of whole number, it returns the same number. Format int X. Remember one thing we had studied, that when we utilizes integer value, it will ignore the float point values. It will just give you an integer value. The fractional part of the value will be ignored. Like in example, j is equal to int 3.9999. Print j. Run. It has provided you answer with 3. Okay, so remember that what is the function of int. Next is sqr function. It is a square root function. Purpose: returns the square root of a positive number x. X must be greater than or equal to 0. sqr x is the format when x greater than or equal to 0. 10 for x is equal to 10 to 25, step 5. Print x sqr x next x. Run. Square root of 10 is 3.162278, then 15, then 20, and in the last 25. Next is sine function. You may have remembered the trigonometry in which you have studied sine, tan and cosecant. The purpose sine function is to find the trigonometric ratio called sine of an angle x, express in radians. The following formula is used for converting angles in radians. Sine x multiplied by pi divided by 180. Sine x is calculated in single precision. Format sine x. Example: pi is equal to 3.142857. Print sine pi multiplied 30 by 180. Run. Answer is 0.9999. Similarly, there are other trigonometric functions given in the following list: cosine, cos x, secant, secant s, cosecant, cosecant x, tangent, tan x, and cotangent, cot x. So the way of finding the value is the same. Let's wind up our today's lecture. If you have any issue or query regarding to today's topic or any previous topic, leave a message in the group. I will guide you in the group. But make sure to do practice and study the lectures as well as you are getting it. I will meet you in next lecture. Till that lecture, take care yourself. Allah Hafiz.